Hello everyone, and welcome back. Back out here tonight after work, trying to get the rest of the potatoes planted. The wind is kind of dying down, so hopefully this video won't be too bad. The last video we planted the 2 rows of Pontiac Red, and talking to Melissa, I like red potatoes. She prefers the white or the russet, but on her keto diet right now, she can't do potatoes. So we're gonna do the 2 rows of red, the 1 row of these here, which I've never tried before, Norkotah, a russet Norkotah, and then I'm gonna do 2 rows of the reds or purples, whatever they are. We'll take a look at those because those are a fun novelty. They taste real good, and yeah, so we're just gonna do it that way. These are the purple ones. They're called Purple Majesty. I've never grown this type, but once again, they were for sale up here, which means they will grow here. So I should have some decent luck. Purple potatoes are, I don't know if you guys have ever seen them before, but I know I've grown them before, but see how neat they are on the inside? I mean, that's just so cool. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. All the potatoes are planted. 64 plants. These will probably be ready to be harvested sometime in August. I will see you guys on the next video.